In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn email notifications on Temu. If you want to stay updated with your Temu orders, promotions, account activity, and special offers, managing your email notifications is a great way to keep track of important updates. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn email notifications on or off directly from your Temu account settings so you can customize exactly what appears in your inbox. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit the Temu website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the account settings page loads properly without interruptions. Once the home page appears on your screen, look toward the top section of the page where you'll find the Sign In or Register option. Click on the Sign In button and log into your Temu account using your account credentials. If you do not already have an account, you will need to create one before you can manage notification settings. After entering your login details correctly, continue into your account dashboard where all your profile and account controls are available. Once you are signed in, locate your account profile section. This area usually contains your personal settings, order history, saved addresses, payment methods, and notification preferences. Click on your profile to open the account management options. Inside the profile section, look for the category labeled Notifications. This is where Temu allows you to control different types of alerts and email communications connected to your account. After opening the Notifications page, you'll see a list of available notification categories, including updates related to orders, promotions, recommendations, and other account activities. Next, select the option to edit or manage your notification settings. From here, you can choose which emails you would like to receive and which ones you would prefer to disable. If you want to turn email notifications on, make sure the toggle switch or checkbox next to the notification type is enabled. If you want to stop receiving certain emails, simply turn the switch off for those specific categories. This gives you more control over your inbox and helps you avoid receiving notifications that you may not find useful. At the same time, you can still keep important order updates or shipping information enabled if needed. There's also another useful option to remember. Promotional emails sent by Temu usually include an unsubscribe link at the bottom of the message. Clicking that link allows you to stop receiving marketing emails directly from your inbox without needing to return to your account settings. And that's how you can turn email notifications on or off in Temu and fully customize your communication preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.